ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಬ್ಲೂಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಬ್ಲೂಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Whose idea was it to record this podcast?
So, unbelievable journey in the last 1 year.
Come on,
It was-
yes.
It was
Super
a
hit.
super.
100%.
It was a night where Alex sir used to call us again. I have 10 names. Search trademark domain right now.
When we put out the posters, we were getting a lot of messages from our friends saying, "Can we have summer camp for adults?"
Exactly.
Who is more likely to crack a joke in a serious discussion? This is the other buns.
Once
Editor is there.
editor is cut. Because
We can mess up. It's
Yes,
okay.
yes.
The editor will fix it. Okay.
1 year.
Yeah, unbelievable journey in the last 1 year. I can't believe we are here today doing
Yeah.
this podcast.
Yeah, like when we planned for the podcast, did we ever think that we are going to have a podcast like this where we celebrate
No.
our first year anniversary of Vikasit
yeah,
Vidya?
it was very quick,
Yeah.
so very fast. 1 year. It went like many podcast, many discussions, and all those things.
Mini
A
fights.
lot of ups and
Yeah,
downs.
up and down challenges.
Definitely a roller coaster ride,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
It was.
But at the end, we are here today to celebrate
And
first
it feels
anniversary.
very special and an honor actually that we have this team, we have each other, and
And
we are
I
here.
feel nothing has changed. We are still, same old team. The first day when we sat around and started,
absolutely no idea where
what
how-
to do.
Yeah. So because
Yeah.
with Vidya,
Yes.
when we initially thought of starting the Skill Academy, there were a lot of names that we were
Yes,
considering.
yes.
We've done a lot of,
I think
trial and error.
We took a month to decide the name.
Name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every morning we used to get around 10 names.
Yeah.
Then to check
Check
with
the
the domain, search.
Trademark, domain. I still
How it
remember.
sounds.
Yeah.
It was a night where Alex sir used to call us again. I have 10 names. Search trademark domain right now. And no names were available.
Then again, whether it's a traditional name or it's a modern name or,
Or a
any combination.
I remember
So-
searching a Sanskrit name for education.
Okay. The most of the name we finalized like that EduTech, Edu,
It's very
based on the
common.
Edu, very common names.
Yeah,
Finally, we ended up with Vikasit Vidya.
Yeah, and with a
Yeah.
beautiful logo, it was
Yes.
finalized.
Yes.
And here we are now.
And that took around 1.5 months, 2 months
To
to
finalize.
finalize the
and-
logo, then company, all those things.
So why? Because sir, you came up with the name Vikasit Vidya,
Yeah.
right? So what was your thought process behind it?
No, I was searching for the name most of the time in the overnight, thinking about the names, coming up with the various combinations. Then I thought this is not actually education. It should be name should match with our theme. So what we are doing is it is something in addition to the education, like the
We are
traditional education.
broadening the
Yes,
horizon.
yes. So I thought in that angle, and I didn't want to go with the very modern name or not with the very traditional name. It's a combination of both. Even language also like that only. So not in Kannada, not in English. The most adopted like Vikasit and Vidya both.
Yeah.
So almost in all language, it gives the same meaning.
Same meaning.
And it relates to our objective also. It
Yes,
stays in the
yes,
far, like
yes.
enhancement of the skill,
Yes.
Correct.
enhancement
Overall
of the education.
holistic
Yes, yes.
development of
Exactly.
a person.
Yeah.
So when students come out of college, there's always that thought in the back of their minds, what am I going to do next? And then they go apply for jobs and they're always scared, right? Like that is something I think we all felt.
Yes.
Because as we were doing interviews also, we realized like a lot of students are scared how they are going to perform or are they going to be better than the other. And to be able to write a simple resume, there is so much that, they have not learned while they were in college. It could be a lot of factors also, a lot of distractions. We don't know, but if we can help them, then why not?
And the best part is that after studying in one class, after writing the exam, we forget everything. That is normal.
That's what we have also.
So because we are studying only for the exam. So after
moment-
coming out, if you ask any basic questions about the subject,
Yeah.
we will forget because our focus will be only on preparing for the exams.
Correct.
What they are asking. So that also sometimes selective. We will not study everything. This was last year's question paper, and all those things we will study.
Yeah.
So this is a different concept. And see, when we are selecting a name, according to me, the trust should it should reflect the trust, the name. And I didn't want to go with the one name which is already there are 10 names, one among 10 names.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Had to be
Copying
unique.
some other name and other things. It should be a unique name, and then only we can create the brand.
And there
That
should
is
be
what I
some
believe.
impact.
Some
on it.
impact. Yeah. What we are doing and what is our name, there should be an access.
And this is something I've definitely observed in the last 1 year. Don't you think
Yes.
everyone's like, oh, the purple logo,
Yeah.
oh, Vikasit.
Don't even start with purple.
Yeah, everything
That is-
around
that
us
is-
is
purple now.
You know, subconsciously I've started buying clothes also.
Purple.
Exactly.
And whenever we attend some functions and all, if we see the purple color, immediately our Vikasit color, they are the Vikasit team. So it is good.
Yeah.
So it's a different. So journey started with the it took around 2-3 months
Yeah.
finalizing that. Then
The launch, how can we forget the launch event?
That's chaos and the
Yeah.
preparation. Oh my god, I still
because-
remember that
because,
day.
And we had such a short span of time to prepare and
we
execute.
never expected that our MP will give us a time.
Exactly.
That also he gave, I think, around 10 days time, give 2 dates, 7th or 8th of July 2025. When we came out, just one word we discussed that now our responsibility is more.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Simple. Because he patiently heard about the concept. We never expected that he would give such a attention because he is very busy. But still, he gave us around 15 minutes time to
Yeah.
Listen to us.
discuss, listen to us. And
That's
then
absolutely our privilege.
Then the first word he told that, yeah, this is very good.
Yeah. And
That gave us
motivated-
that motivated and the confidence increased. But when we are coming out,
I still remember that day.
yes.
And everything just got real.
Yes, yes,
Until
yes.
then, we were
Ah.
all like,
I could
Yes.
still remember everyone's face. We were like
Yes,
silent
yes,
for a
silent.
while. We saw each other's face and it was like,
Because we thought that he will give some 2 months time, 3 months time, all those. He gave only 8 to 10 days time. Then it's a launching.
Exactly.
Ultimately, we are launching something
big.
big
In a big
in
Yeah.
presence
yeah.
of MP, then other dignitaries.
Exactly.
So then it went
it was
very
a
well.
very good panel
Yes,
of
yes,
chief guests, like who honored our event, right? So we had
Even many institutions were participated and they gave us some input on this.
correct.
So all
We received a lot of support.
Yes. That is a real motivation for us.
Correct.
And it's now our duty to take it forward
Yes.
and reach more
Yeah.
people, more students to empower them.
Yes.
So after the launch, and we did our can you believe it, 1 year since we started our Canva workshop, our first workshop that we launched.
And it was such a beautiful workshop which was conducted in Ajanta Business Center,
Yeah.
right?
So I've always wanted, because we all love teaching. I've always imagined having a class, especially in the outdoors where everyone's just sitting together, eating, learning something. But we couldn't do it outdoors considering the rain. But I think even the location, how we planned it, and the encouragement that we
and
got.
even response.
Yeah, is that
Too good.
yeah.
In such a short time.
We got
As
very
a
good
first, as a first
participation.
program, there's a good response from not only the kids,
Yeah.
from the kids,
Yeah,
but
But a
from
lot
parents.
of parents,
Yes,
lot
yes,
of
yes,
women,
yes.
especially those who wanted to, start their own businesses and they wanted to learn how to design things.
And
for
it was
them.
like there was no age bar there. Like from I think age
All
8 to
all-
age
all were
40.
all were kids,
including us. Even
including
we
us.
had
We
like-
used to enjoy with that.
But
yeah.
I would definitely have, love to have these kind of more sessions.
Sessions, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can't forget the summer camp
Yeah,
which we
summer
did.
camp was a total hit. I
Who
think
would have imagined? Like, we were just thinking, like, one day we're like, when we put out the posters, we were getting a lot of messages from our friends saying, can we have summer camp for adults?
Yes.
Exactly.
So every time people saw the videos that we were putting out of how much fun the kids had, and how we cooked a lot of food, we
Every
made
day.
charmuri in
Charmuri.
class.
And how can forget popcorns
Oh yeah, that was a
Yeah.
big hit.
and pellicula trip. I think we have created a lot of memories in this 1 year,
Yeah, even
especially with the
our
Dharwad trip.
presentation in Dharwad University and more than 1,500 students. And
Yeah.
when we went there, they were asking us to do the simultaneous
Sessions,
sessions,
three
Yeah.
separate.
three separate this one. We thought that there will be only one session. Then immediately our team
Had to
spread out,
split.
had to split and take
Yeah.
the 3 sessions simultaneously.
And then we had to wait another day
One
to
more day.
conduct in the science department
Exactly.
also.
It was so overwhelming.
And we restricted the entry because of the number of students. Then next day morning, big group came and they told that no, we also want to join. Then we made some arrangements there. So all these things are really good.
And we have learned a lot. I think
Yes,
that's one
yes,
thing I
yes,
can
yes.
take it
Yeah.
from this 1 year. I personally have learned a lot.
No, it's all of us.
All of us,
right?
yeah.
So
Because
Viksit
every
Vidya itself
day
is like that. No,
Yeah,
it's a
every
learning
day.
process.
I think every day we are like exploring new
Something
things.
new, something to grow.
Yeah. But it's a very good experience, whatever we had in this 1 year.
And now going forward, like obviously we have to expand, our horizons and reach out to more people. So like we are looking for a good LMS, like that. So there are a lot of milestones that we have to achieve.
But
So-
how we can forget our podcast?
I think we have done around 13 podcasts.
And the
as of
first
now.
podcast was with Ramona.
Ramona.
Yeah,
and
Ramona,
it was
yes.
It was
Super hit.
super. That was a beautiful experience for
Yes.
us also. Like the first time we tried, and we can't forget how we had absolutely no idea
Yes.
how to go about it. Behind the
Exactly.
camera, we don't know. In front of the camera, we somehow manage, but behind the camera, we have absolutely no idea. So if it wasn't for people who have supported us, who have helped us at that time, I don't think we would be able to set all of this.
It's like all our editors, videographers,
Yeah.
all our team. I think they all made this
Even
thing possible.
even guests
Who
Yes,
came?
who came and all, like
They would accept our
yes,
invitation
yes. And that energy from them to make it complete and informative.
Yeah.
Correct.
So it's
13
good.
successful podcasts.
Yes. So it is-
It's not easy. So beyond, how we started our journey like this, it just kept going on and on unexpectedly. You remember we did 3 seminars, like 2 webinars and 1 seminar on labor code. Even that was appreciated by a lot of people. So beyond just, practical,
Actually, it was requested by our viewers.
Viewers,
Hmm.
exactly.
Yes, so that we conducted.
When there is a change.
Yes.
and then following that, we were invited by the Christian Chamber of Commerce in Udupi,
Udupi, yeah.
for one
Rotary-
session there.
Rotary Club in Bangalore.
Yeah, they wanted
for
a session
on the subject of
will-
ZIL. Yeah.
family business. So structuring of that is, I think, also something that people don't realize. But structuring your business right from the very beginning is very important.
Correct. Great.
So I think the fact that we have our legal and company secretarial backgrounds
Yes.
help a lot.
In this, yeah.
No, even when we are doing the podcast also, I still remember that we used to sit and discuss. Then discuss about the topics.
Correct.
Then there is a difference in opinion about the topics. But still we used to come out with the topic which is very useful for the viewers.
Correct.
So very informative, like your non-resident taxation, or you took one in one podcast about our CS course.
Correct.
So many things, it is very useful sessions.
Correct.
Yeah.
So whatever we do, say something should be useful for the society.
Correct.
Okay, so that is, podcast is always, one thing is entertainment, but still our podcast was a combination of entertainment and information,
And
Right.
education.
education. So, and it was fun preparing for the podcast.
It
and
was
even-
like an entire
even-
event.
and your cooking segments.
Busy are the buns.
Once,
And the food that we got to eat at the end of it.
and kheer.
Kheer.
So
Yeah, even
good.
we had button but also in our
Yes,
podcast.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Apart from all this which we have done, our primary objective behind starting Vikasit Vidya was to reach colleges, reach more students, and then conduct all these practical skill development programs that help them become better, become job ready. So as we did that, we approached so many colleges and we got very good response. And the best response we got was from St. Agnes
Yes.
College also. They have been very encouraging. And so far, it's been 2 months. We've been going to the college every single week, conducting classes there. And
That's a part of their curriculum.
as a
That-
part of their
Yeah,
curriculum,
yeah.
and they're able to do that also because of the autonomous system that they have. But it's very nice, interacting with the students, and we've curated all the courses, like the entire program is curated on the basis of the requirement of the college. So we have given them some subjects that would help students, which we sat down together, understood from the industry what is required, and then we've given. Like, growing up, I've always felt that we should know how to manage finances. So
It's
something,
very important.
yeah, so we wouldn't know how to save money, how much to save, where to spend. That, we always felt the need for that. And that is something we want more students to learn right now. So personal finance. And then a lot of kids these days love to do innovations, love to, sell products, become entrepreneurs from a very young age. So entrepreneurship development is included there. And then how to be able to talk in front of a crowd, being, your interpersonal relationship is also very important.
Very,
Yes,
very
yes.
important.
Because during an interview, when you put them in a group discussion,
You even though know the subject, no, they can't
Correct.
present it.
yeah,
That's a big problem.
So-
Even in interview, when we see here, no, even they complete their exam in good marks in CS also. When they come for the interview, they know the subject.
It's like
Okay.
they have
But,
the knowledge, but they don't have that
how to
confidence
express,
to
no
express.
confidence.
So when they're put under continuous training, right, week on week,
Yes,
week,
yes.
it helps them learn the skill on the go. So that is what we always wanted to be able to do, right?
Yeah. And it will fill the gap between industry and traditional education system.
Correct.
So the employability will be very fast.
And you will be at par with the skills that people in tier 1
Yes.
cities have,
Correct.
because they have access to a lot of such programs, but people in tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities don't have availability or access to these
And
things.
one of our objective is that only, no,
Yeah.
to reach tier 2 city and tier 3 cities.
Correct. Apart from that, we have, we got a very good response from colleges like Yanapaya College, even Nitte, Karkala, where they have their incubation center and they want their students or engineering students to be able to learn about entrepreneurship, to be able to learn about startups. So that whole startup ecosystem is also built.
Correct.
And it's wonderful how, there is a lot of response that we
Yes,
have
yes.
been getting.
Okay, for 1 year, I think we had a lot of discussion, fights, talks. I think we know each other very well. Okay, I hope we know.
100%.
100%. Okay. So let's play a small game to understand how well we know each other.
Yes.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Who is more likely to say, I'm not fully convinced yet, after everyone else has agreed? Right, read like this happened 2 days back.
Still continuing.
Still continuing.
Who is more likely to stay calm under pressure? Who is more likely to keep everyone on schedule? Who is more likely to send the longest WhatsApp message?
Love doing that.
Who is more likely to forget to reply to messages? Who is more likely to crack a joke in a serious discussion?
Very good.
Who is more likely to say, we'll manage, even when things look impossible?
All of us.
All.
All.
Who is more likely to carry everything needed for a workshop and still feel something has been forgotten? Who is more likely to make friends with students within the first 5 minutes? Who is more stubborn during discussions?
Me.
Who is the toughest person to convince?
So this was fun. Now we discussed of everything that happened in the past. What is the way ahead? Where are we headed towards?
Yeah, we have to come up with many programs which is very useful for not only for the students, as even for the society.
And I believe we have to, cater for to entrepreneurs also.
Yes.
Because a lot of them have knowledge about their product, but they lack in the compliance part. They don't know about.
I feel
the-
they
have
do
to
not have the right direction.
Exactly.
So going forward, we should plan more of this, and then in fact, we're starting our CS EET coaching as well, which is our CS Executive Entrance Test, which happens 3 times a year. It is one of the crucial exams for a student to start their journey in CS. And we want to handhold them, we want to help them complete the exam. It's not just coaching which we are providing, we are going
It's
to help
end-to-end,
end to
end-to-end
end
program.
to write the exam.
Correct.
So, including mock tests and marathon lectures. So, we've planned a lot
Yes.
and we hope to deliver really well. So, CSET is underway. And then also our very new introduction. Do you want to announce?
Yes, yes, it's better because it's a special occasion. We will announce it. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Please do the honors.
yeah. We are starting a separate wing under Vikasit Vidya, Law by Vikasit. It is a special coaching for the law students and how to prepare for CLAT and how to make the research. It is a research based law coaching. So I think we can launch in September, October.
Yeah,
So
Definitely.
preparations are going on now.
Preparations
Yeah.
are going
Yes,
on
yes,
full.
full,
fledged.
yeah.
I know.
So fully.
We'll be fully equipped
Yes.
to launch very,
Yes.
very soon.
And,
And I think
I'm
we're
really looking
excited.
forward for
Yes,
it. Yeah.
yes, yes. So there are many more things to do,
Yes.
and
Buckle up, guys.
Yes.
There's lots to do.
Okay, after this recording, we have to just get
back to work.
yeah.
Yeah. So,
But I think during this occasion, like since we are gathered here for this podcast, I think it's definitely our duty to thank
Yes.
people who supported us.
yes, it's our, honor that we have got support from so many people, all the institutions, the resource persons who have come on board to teach the students, the colleges that have encouraged us, our sponsors, and then the guests who have, accepted our invitation to be a part of the podcast. And a lot of sponsors have come forward to, to be
Encourage.
a part of our podcast.
Yes.
And that is also very, very special to us, because without them I think we wouldn't be able
They spend
to
their valuable time with us.
time,
Yes.
their resources, a lot of things that they've done, so it's superb. And then the team that goes behind working, behind all of this, without them we are nothing.
Correct.
And we have our dearest Karthik Nair also, who is a wonderful cinematographer, editor,
Who's right behind this
behind the camera right now. So I think without his support, we wouldn't be able to do it in-house. And that was one big leap which we have taken this year. So a lot of responsibilities and messages that go to him. Karthik is just done.
And moreover, the big responsibility, editor is there.
yeah.
Editor is there. We can-
We can mess up. It's
Yes,
okay. The
yes.
editor will fix it. So yeah, big thanks to him.
And we cannot forget to thank Riddhi Creations, who
Yeah.
were with us for the recording, editing
From
in
the very
beginning.
So if it weren't for them, I think we wouldn't have the confidence to even set things up in-house.
Correct.
So they have come all the way from Udupi whenever we have called them. Even to edit, we have troubled them so much.
And we did not have any knowledge how
Yeah.
to execute podcasts. So they have assisted us a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, with a lot of
So,
patience.
so we learn from them.
Yes, we
Correct,
have
correct.
definitely learned a lot from
yeah,
them.
and I think we are very grateful to them.
And I think a big shout out to our team who have never told us that we cannot help you. We are getting late or give some random excuse. I think the team CNA and team VV has been a strength to us throughout this 1 year of our journey. Even if when it was the time of inauguration or
Yeah.
any other events, they were there with us every time. Correct?
Yeah, it's
Correct.
Apart from that, even the media, media has given us very good coverage.
Mm.
They have, spread the word about Vikasit Vidya.
Yeah.
I think that also added a lot of value to where we stand today. So,
Especially Daiji World.
World, a big
World.
thanks to Daiji World. And our Vertex Workspaces, they have supported us a lot. I think we have got a lot of encouragement from them, be it whenever we
Correct.
wanted a location, a venue, they have always
Supported us
and been there.
and
right?
technical support as well as the venue support.
Yeah.
Everything was on point.
So without them, without a lot of stakeholders, we are nothing.
Correct.
So it's only because of it's like a hand,
Hand,
right? It
correct.
all has to come together
Together.
to become strong. So I think we are who we are because of everybody else around us. And the reason behind doing this podcast today is to, remember all these people who have been a part of our journey and to thank them.
And acknowledge them.
And to acknowledge their support and encouragement. So a big thanks to everyone who has been a part of our beautiful journey in the last 1 year of Vikasit Vidya. We look forward to your continuous support in the years ahead as well. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. And a nice party from Hotel Maharaja.
Vijay.
Maruthara.